future shines so bright, and I can make right now alright. Hey, I got you, we got the magic. I got you, got it, we got the magic.
How you doing, girl? Are you taking a picture?
Nah, I'm doing video. It's all video.
What you want to say to your guy?
Well, all I want to say is collaboration. Twins of Frank Rock, Hard Body Rockstar. You know where you heard it first, DJ Pleasure.
I'm ready to go right now. I'm ready to go right now. Let's go. I'm ready to go right now. I'm ready to go right now.
What's going on, y'all? This is Noah Boston. Just shot one out a very special happy birthday to my girl Miracle. Here on the 2012 second annual Pure Not All White Boat Cruise. Watch for the rest of it.
Hold the bottles up. Hold the bottles up. Hold the bottles up. Hold the bottles up.
Okay, we poppin' champagne.
Hold the bottles up. Hold the bottles up. Hold the bottles up. Hold the bottles up.
Okay, we poppin' champagne.
You know we drink that rosé until we black out. You know we drink that rosé until we black out.
My roof back.
Damn, where my roof just go?
My roof back. My top back. My roof back.
Damn, where my roof just go? Top slipped off. Top slipped off.
Hey, I got a bad bitch. She more than cute. And bitch, I'm ballin', I'm talking more than hoops. This that fit scale, nigga, we waterproof. I got into it with my car and I said, fuck the roof.
My roof back.
Fuck the roof.
My roof back.
Fuck the roof.
My roof back.
Fuck the roof.
Damn, where my roof just go?
Top down,
Top back.
top down.
Blowin' smoke up in the air, yeah.
You're the only one for me. You're the only one I need. Can nobody make me feel the way you're making me feel? And girl, you know this love is real.
Touch me, squeeze me, feel me and caress me.
Tease me,
Hold on tight and don't let go. Baby, I'm about to explode.
oh yeah.
'Cause all my love you can't control.
Put your hands in the air. If you're sexy, now declare. Let me see your hands up, hands up, hands up. Are you ready for bacchanal, 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 oh bacchanal, oh bacchanal, oh are you ready for it? Oh bacchanal, oh are you ready for it? Oh bacchanal, oh are you ready for it? Oh bacchanal, oh are you ready for bacchanal, 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 bacchanal. Hello and greetings, first time we meeting. I hope you're not leaving, just stay a little bit. I'll keep it formal, please just act normal. I grew up in the house of bacchanal, and this foot is mine. I go jump if I want to, wave up or bend down and whine. This foot is mine. I go stamp on the ground and you can't tell me what to do. 'Cause I felt in the night, then go on the road. Me no stop there, I'm going all day. I felt in the night, then jump up on the road. Me no stop there.
Quick boom, tell me how the thing look. DJ, him say party bop like Dulcom. Party bop like Dulcom. One month a share of me jeans them hold. Raving healthy we vibe down low. Him say party shot like one M16. Them call me the raving king. Touch a small girl, show me love, and I tell me my sweet like fudging. Say party shot like one STD. Girl, them a wine for me, yeah. How we have the style where them love them watch we like MTV. Alright, as me reach me see gal pan head top, swear me no one go.
already know. It's DJ Blake.
Apologize, I don't recollect your name. Oh, baby, I don't know your name. Let me tell you that them heels really compliment your frame. Look at your body, baby. Ooh, and I gotta catch my plane.
What's happening right here is, I know we talked to me.
All right, little bit. You look very hot.
It's fan and everybody. My man Freedom 5-star. He looks very hot. Let's talk about home right now.
September 8th.
Hey, quick, but if I call you, gon' be